gold, silver, diamonds. In other words, treasure. There are many stories of explorers traveling far and wide in search of treasure. Well, I'm looking for treasure too, but of a different kind. My project is like going on a treasure hunt, except I have no map. My research is in the field of drug discovery. More specifically, I'm helping to develop drugs that target human para-influenza viruses, which are responsible for causing a range of upper and lower respiratory tract illnesses. These viruses can be very serious for vulnerable populations, such as the elderly, cancer patients, and especially young children, who are often admitted to hospital for breathing difficulties. To make matters worse, there are no vaccines or drugs currently available to treat this viral infection, which is very scary. Now, I am interested in a key protein on the surface of the virus called HN, and it plays an essential role for the virus to infect our cells and also helps the virus to spread. This is what makes HN such an important target for drug discovery. Many drug targets have a supposed map that can be used as a guide to make better, stronger drugs that are more specific to the target. This map is known as the three-dimensional structure, and it can provide researchers with a multitude of information. For example, it can be used to understand how a protein works or observe how certain molecules are able to interact with specific parts of the protein. That's pretty cool, right? But I have a tiny problem. The 3D structure of the protein I'm investigating does not exist yet. This is where my project comes in. I am using a range of different experimental techniques to try and figure out how to get the 3D structure of HN so that we can have a map to see the fine details of how the protein is organized. From that information, we can design new drugs by using small chemical molecules as building blocks to test how well they bind to the protein. From there, we can eventually create a drug candidate that can prevent the virus from infecting and spreading to our cells. This is the treasure that I am searching for, and I am so close to obtaining that elusive 3D structure. The road to drug discovery is a long and strenuous journey, but I am confident that I can find the map to guide us to the ultimate treasure.